This video gives a basic explanation of the fundraiser system in Charms. The Charms fundraiser system is designed to help you manage every aspect of your fundraiser, including the individual student or member ledgers and the overall project totals and goals. There are two important features of the Charms fundraising system to point out before you start. The first is that you are able to track and balance money collected versus the value of product given, such as for fundraisers like candy bar sales. This is an inherent part of the Charms fundraiser system, even if you don't need to track it. The second is the ability to give students or members profit credit for their sales. For example, if students get personal credit for working concession sales, Charms can track that, or if they don't get any profit, that can be done as well. However, you aren't required to use either of these features to track money earned through fundraisers. This means that fundraisers can be set up in several different ways. The way that you set up the fundraiser determines how your information is tracked. The first question to consider before you set up your fundraiser in Charms is whether there is merchandise being sold. If the answer is no, then you will set up your fundraiser in such a way that Charms automatically assigns a balancing value given amount whenever money is turned in. For example, if you collect $66 from a car wash, Charms also enters $66 in value given so that the value and money will stay in balance. If you are selling merchandise, then you may want to track the product given to students or members. One way you can do this is by number of items given. For example, you might give each student 50 candy bars or raffle tickets or other types of items to go out and sell. You can also track product given by the actual monetary value. For example, if you're doing a catalog sale, you might collect the money first, then when the order arrives, enter the value of products given to the students to go deliver. But then again, this may be something you want the Charm system to enter for you automatically, since the money has already been turned in. The second question to consider before you set up your fundraiser is how profit earned for individual students or members is entered. If your fundraiser offers a fixed profit rate, say 40%, you simply enter the rate and Charms calculates the profit for each student for you. On the other hand, you can choose to enter each profit amount manually. Once you have set up your fundraiser regarding items and profit, there are three basic types of transactions. First, you can enter transactions for the value or number of items of product given. The second type of transaction is entering the actual money collected. This transaction posts to a bank account ledger. The third type of transaction is if you have chosen to manually enter profit earned. This type of transaction posts profit credit to the student or member's ledger. However, the money itself has already been accounted. There's one final thing to point out about the Charms fundraising system. If you are working with Express Industries for your fundraiser, at the end of the fundraiser, you will receive a CSV-type data file from Express that details the profit information for each student. This CSV file can be imported directly into Charms, simplifying the process of tracking profits significantly. There are additional videos to help you set up your fundraiser, enter item or money transactions, and review the fundraiser summary information. There is also a video showing some of the most common fundraising scenarios. Be sure to check out our library of videos for help with other Charms Office procedures.